Okay, here's a simple air battery, bridge rectifier. I've got it connected to this heat sink for an antenna, and then I've got a wire there that just goes down and it's nailed into the cement. And of course the two wires off the side that come to this. And right now we're reading about 0.39 volts. Okay, now what's interesting is if I take this off the plastic and put it on the bench, automatically goes up to 0.49. Okay, now just take it, put it back on the plastic, down to 3. Okay, now what's even more interesting is you go over here and shut the power off to the shop, so there's no electricity coming into the shop. Okay, and we go back over and check our readings on it now. And I have to use my flashlight so you can see it. 3.75 volts. Okay, and that's with it on the plastic. Now I'm going to take it off the plastic, put it on the bench again, and then you get a reading here, 9.65. Explain that one to me, folks. Okay, here's something you might want to find interesting. This here's my super jewel ringer. That just runs off of 12 volts, and then I switch these on and bam, you got light from 12 volts. But what's interesting is I have my air battery sitting over here. Okay, I've turned the power off in the shop, and my air battery right now is reading 12.5 volts sitting there. And the lights are off. I'm going to turn the lights on and see what happens. And it goes up a little bit, 13 volts. Okay, now I got this air battery hooked up to an LED across here, and this is my voltmeter, and it's reading 1.07 volts, and I don't see any light coming off of that until I go over here and turn the power off in the shop again. Okay, now we'll go back here, see if we can see this. See that? A little red light showing there, and that's just off of that bridge rectifier. Okay, now I'm going to try turning on this. This runs off a 12 volt battery, and right now I've got 1.57 volts. Let's turn on this thing and see what happens. Voltage went up to 1.6, and the light's still going. I just thought you guys would like that.